How to enable or disable hide full screen notifications when the screen is off during Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Notifications. In here, tap on Do Not Disturb. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Hide Notifications. In here, go to the section where it says when the screen is off. Tap on Hide Full Screen Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, so when notifications arrive, your phone won't make a sound or vibrate. Here, I can switch it on. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.